it's Charmaine here from My Destination Berlin. Did you know that Berlin has more bridges than Venice? And in the summer months there is no better way to see the city than from the water. Berlin has 183 kilometres of canals and rivers running throughout the city and many different ways to travel on the water. There are lots of companies operating on Berlin's waterways, from small charter companies to large operations with fleets of boats and multiple daily tours. From the water you will get a great view of Berlin's famous landmarks and sites like the Reichstag, the East Side Gallery, the Hauptbahnhof and the museums on Museum Island. Plus, with more than 900 bridges around town, a boat tour is the best way to try to see them all. You can find more information about touring Berlin's waterways on My Destination Berlin, along with heaps of other information about riverside parks, cafes, restaurants and bars.